a wooden spoon. So today, what I'm going to be making is a homemade blackberry cobbler. So as you saw in one of my other videos, I went to a farm and freshly picked some blackberries. So that's what I'm making for you guys today. So to start out, we are going to be making the crust. So for this, what you will need is 1/3 cup of sugar, 2/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of flour, and 3/4 cup of oats. So I'm going to pour my sugar in. Sugar smoke. And the brown sugar. And you're going to stir all of that up. And then my oats and flour, as you can see, was already in my bowl. Now what we are going to add is some cinnamon and salt. So I just grinded in some salt and gave 6 shakes of cinnamon. So good. Okay. So once we make our topping, which I will show you how to make right after talking, we will add some melted butter to this to make the crust. But let's get started with the topping. So we have some freshly washed and picked blackberries, picked just a few hours ago, and they smell so good, so I gotta eat one. Oh, so good. It's just so good. So for this, you need 2.5 cups of blackberries. And I have mammoth blackberries because these blackberries are humongous. So then we need to add 1/2 cup of sugar to these to make this cobbler super sweet. 1/4 cup of flour. And then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I'm just using the pre-squeezed one because my store was out of lemons, like fully out. And then I just added a teensy bit extra just to give it that cute kick. And then we are going to grab a spoon and just lightly toss all of that up. So now this is the chance to melt your butter, and for this you will only need 1/4 cup. Hey everyone, so I finished melting my butter, and I also preheated the oven to 350 degrees. So what I'm going to do is pour my butter into our crisp topping mixture. I want to stir this up all together, and just wait for it to be like fully clumped up. You want it just to clump up like it's doing right now, and just keep stirring it because you want every single piece fully clumped up. Okay, looks super good. And from here, we're going to just pour our blue blackberry cobbler mixture all over. And it was kind of hard to like mix it all up in a bowl, so I'm gonna kind of mix it up once it's in the pan. So just gotta make sure to get all that yummy sugar out, just to make this a super sweet, yummy dessert. And also, if you use store-bought blackberries, you also might need a little bit more sugar, because I got my blackberries this morning freshly picked, like I already said, so it's just like really good. And I also got them the day, this is what the farmer said, we got them the day that the blackberries are normally always at its sweetest, bestest point, so just keep that in mind. So I'm just gonna spread this all out. And I think I have a little bit too big of a pan. At the same time, I think we'll be a-okay. Okay. Now we're just going to take our crumble mixture. Oh! Oh no. Not good. Oh no. Okay. And then we're just gonna kind of spread this out all over and on top of our blackberry mixture. Okay, looks good. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so here it is. It looks so good and I'm so excited to try it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the Wooden Spoon. And I'm gonna try it now. Okay, I wanna take a bite now. Get some ice cream, okay. The perfect amount of crisp topping. It was so good with the ice cream.